For 10 years, I made one mistake on LinkedIn that slightly killed my reach. With a new LinkedIn algorithm update, this mistake has become even more costly. You probably have seen on my LinkedIn, my education belongs to an electrical engineering. After that, I have spent 3 years in environment, health, and safety industry, purely sales and marketing role for Indian markets. After that, I have moved myself in digital marketing space. Eventually, I have been into the entire revenue operations for multiple industries. I always believed in connecting my customers or prospect with omni-channel. I used to connect and accept every connection I have built offline or part of my industry. But with the new LinkedIn algorithm, that thinking collapsed instantly. LinkedIn now pushes your content to a much smaller sample of your first degree connections. If those people don't engage, the post never leaves that bubble. It dies before it gets another chance. When I started posting content in 2024, I realized my scattered network is the biggest problem. After a big update from LinkedIn in May 2025, I went extreme. I removed over 8,000 connections and I'm still cleaning my network. I cut out people who had no alignment with my current industry, my work, or my goals. The new algorithms reward relevance more than volume. If your network isn't aligned, the algorithm can't help you. It doesn't matter if you write brilliantly or post daily. So here is the first thumb rule. Curate your network like your career depends on it. People who can buy from you, collaborate with you, or learn from you. Let the algorithm work with you, not against you. If LinkedIn only showed your post to the first 200 people in your network, would those be the right 200? And that's the real game. Cheers.